I'll show you the white.
Yeah.
I need some tail lights like this.
Euro tails. So I just put the Euro tails on. I got the reflective right there. That's on hard. I like that. All right, you go ahead and start it, bro. Hey, can you hit the brake first? Yes, sir. There we go. Both reverse lights work. Can you do the turn signals? There we go. There we go. Take it out of reverse and throw it back in. All right. Can you take it off reverse and tap the brake? Can you let go of the brake? Tap it. They don't look like nothing got brighter or darker. What the fuck? Tap the brake again? Hell no. So I got the Euro tail lights put in yesterday. They look good, but I need to get them to function properly. Let's go ahead and get this jump. First cold start with the exhaust delete. Be honest, one of the best things about having cars as a hobby is that it gives me like a challenge. I'm always trying to figure something out. When something go wrong, you gotta always figure out what's wrong. So I was having an issue since yesterday. I changed out my tail lights to the Euro spec tail lights. These don't look hard. These don't look hard. But for some reason, my brake lights were staying on. And I figured it out. Turns out I had the wrong bulb. So this one is kind of dim because I swapped it with a bulb that I had laying around, which was that one. This bulb was in here and I guess it wasn't the right one or it was blown out, I'm not sure. But it was not in there properly. But now we good to go. This shit took me like 24 hours to figure out. Been working on this all day. Spent like 3 hours on it today. 6 hours on it yesterday, and it was just a bulb. I'm over here thinking it's the wiring. I gotta get a new car, cause who gonna trace all that wiring? Bro, it was just a bulb. I'm happy now.